Kotak Securities has initiated coverage on SBI cards with a target price of rupees 900 per share. Now, what is it that Kotak Securities feels that is, making SBI cards so attractive with such high valuations? So, Kotak Securities believes that SBI Card is a very attractive long-term compounding story, and there are a lot of positives they see coming in for SBI Cards. One, obviously, being the strong revenue growth that is led by rising, and obviously the underpenetrated payment plays, which is also seen rising. So that is very positive for the company. Now, obviously, the company does have a highly profitable lending book as well. And lastly, obviously, the benefit of the strong parentage that can obviously lower the origination risk, and which is partly offset by the expensive valuation. So all in all, these are the three key positives that the company, the brokerage firm is seeing for SBI cards. Now, other factors that they see that differentiates SBI cards from other lenders is the rapid expansion of infrastructure that is towards for accepting digital payments in such an important time is seen very rare, and that expansion is done quite well. So online and offline both was quite good, the infrastructure and the expansion that we saw over there, as well as the ability to actually build on the long-term lending relationships with high yielding, short-term and yet profitable, high profitability is something very interesting. Now, Kotak Securities also sees that they see a strong visibility coming in the medium term growth, especially given the robust recovery that we have seen post-COVID. They see that overall Kotak Securities believes that the credit growth story that has just started to unfold now. This is just the beginning, and with the visibility of a multi-year growth is what they expect. So obviously, factors that will drive the growth, what they see will be the expansion in the credit card base in the country. Overall, a greater share of the payment flows is also something very interesting that they find, through electronic payments, including credit cards. That is something that is going to help SBI cards as well. And SBI card is already being the second player in the market, both in terms of cards as well, cards outstanding and spends, is likely to be the key beneficiary of these trends. So, other key factors, there are in SBI Card's favor, which Kotak Securities sees as obviously the dedicated management focus in being a pure play in the company is also important. The credibility as well as the trust which is coming in from SBI brand name, which helps both obviously in terms of the brand recall as well as the access to SBI's customers as well. So that broadens their base as well. Good brand name is always very important, and what consumers actually focus on as well. And obviously backing of SBI. So SBI does have 70% stake, which provides implicit backstop in terms of the cost and availability of debt and equity capital as something beneficial for SBI cards is what Kotak Securities is seeing, and that is why they have initiated coverage on SBI cards with a target price of 900 rupees per share.